Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn and some of my artwork. Did a bunny up here, and I did it with colored pencil on my little bunny by hand, and I did a fish up here with a watercolor. I colored in this bird with marker, and I did this bird with a pencil too. I have some artwork. My face I did back up here so you can see it with a bird and a mask. I also have one of my favorites, a wolf right here that I did in pencil. Over here I did my flowers and colored pencil. I have a cat I painted right here with acrylic paints, and a little puggle. Where'd it go? Here it is. My little puggle I painted here. My cat, and another one of my favorites that I painted. And I did a little turtle out of clay here with all my lovely plants. And I bring my artwork to you with love. That was my little turtle chilling there. My paper mache bird and a fairy up here that I did for some artwork. That I painted the little fairy up here also. And down here I painted my mom's owl table with acrylics, and it came out really well. And one of my favorites. And a bird up here, a dog that I painted, and also these two little people bobbleheads, and my little ladybug here. And in my mom's room I painted, that's a beautiful peacock. Well, I colored it with colored pencil. It's so big I can't get the whole thing in for you all. Also his tail and her beautiful head. And a little reef over here I also made for some art for her. And my little wood burnings up here I also did with a dove and my bird and butterfly. And a little hummingbird I also colored up here with a butterfly and flowers. And outside I have a couple things too. I have my cute little paintings of Honey and Sweetie Pie. And this is Sweetie right here. That's a painting of Sweetie and Honey that I did. And over here, I did a raccoon, a bunny, and a deer. Little pie face here. My honey there. I hope you enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all. I hope you will enjoy all my paintings. Love you out there.